Hello everyone, so today I am going to be doing my Kiddyland haul, and I'm going to try and keep this in order, but I'm sorry if I slip up anywhere. If you didn't already know, I have done a Daiso haul, a Japan haul, and I have vlogged my Japan trip. It's all in a playlist which I'll linked down below, and it will also be in the top right hand of the screen. So let's get started. So I'm going to start off with the first floor, and on the first floor is Funashi Land, and this is the bag that they gave me and I love it so much. It's adorable and I'm going to keep it. I'm going to keep it forever. So the first thing that I ran straight to are the candy kits. So here is the first one that I got. I'm sorry if I don't know the names of them. I then got the hamburger one. I then got the hamburger one. The ramen one. I got the ice cream one, the bento box one, this one which is one of the newer ones that they have just released. Then I got this Pom Pom Purin Reman, and if you want to see the one that I got, I'll be doing a separate video on that. And then I brought two Squishies, which are both Cafe Bien. I got this cream puff, which was yen, and then I got the pink donut, which was the same price. So then on the, I think it is the next floor, or it might be the floor above that, I got some more candy kits. So I got this one, which is the, it's supposed to look like their one. And this one. The last one that I got is this one. And I will be doing a video on every single one of the candy kits. Also on that floor I decided to get this Doraemon squeeze toy. Oh. And if it focuses, there is the little Doraemon that comes out. Doesn't want to focus, I really apologize. And last thing on that floor that I got is this pin blind thing packet, like I don't know what it is. To the floor above was Sailor Moon Heaven. There was Star Wars, and then it went on to Sailor Moon things that I obviously went crazy with. So I brought two of these wafer and card packs. You get these little wafers and then some cards. I then also got two of these blind boxes that have necklaces. I got this blind box which has one of these charms in. I got this really adorable mint tin that I don't think I want to take out of the packet. And lastly I got four of the Sailor Moon plate blind boxes. So then I have one more floor, which was the floor that had all of the Sanics and Sanity things. So Sentimental Circus, I got this clear folder. I did also get some plasters, but my out there, so I needed to use them. For Little Twin Star, I got this Little Twin Star letter set, this memo pad, and then these Little Twin Star socks. For Pom Pom Purin, I got this medium size memo pad. And then lastly, Rilakkuma, I got this cat letter set. And then I got all of the little cat memo pads. I then got this medium-sized Rilakkuma plush, and it is the new honey bear one. Here is his tag. And then the last thing that I did on this floor was the Rilakkuma Ichiban Kuji, and I filmed doing that in my vlogs, so if you want to watch that, go check that out. And I won this Rilakkuma, which is also one of the new series. So yeah, that is everything that I brought from Kiddyland. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please do subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!